love being a school librarian because I have always loved books. It's cool to be kind. I've wanted to be a librarian since I was in elementary school, so it's really cool that I get to share the love of reading, just like my librarians share the love of reading for me.
I think being a librarian has always kind of been something that I'm interested in just because I have always loved reading and I want to be able to instill that love in other people. And so starting small with little ones and kind of building that up really just brings me back.
Reading opens up a whole new world, a whole new experience, loads of knowledge, and I think spreading that love with the kids is really important. Good job.
What I love about being a librarian is the ability to work with the kids in all areas. I get to build a culture of reading and a love for reading and let the kids kind of explore what they're interested in.
I'm gonna split it up. The library is the hub of the school. It's a place where everyone can come, students, staff, teachers, and it is the place of connection.
A lot of action happens here in the library. We always have guest speakers and activities, and we try to make sure that everybody's needs get met. So that is the most important part of being a librarian.
A library is special to the school community in a lot of different ways. We bring the joy of reading to our kids, but we also are able to support our teachers in unique ways. We have our books. We have teacher support books, STEM resources. We support the curriculum in many ways. Just we are able to help in whatever way is needed.
And he can't be late.
I really enjoy reading stories to kids and helping them find books that they are interested in. So when you find a book that a kid really wants to read, you could just see their face light up when they get super excited about it. And I think that's the biggest thrill for me as a librarian, is helping them to find that joy in reading.
Storytelling, the power of storytelling, it is just a really powerful way of getting messages across to people in a way that sticks with you for the rest of your life. And I think I just wanted to make that my life choice, and I think I'll always be in libraries or anything having to do with books, really.
It's the joy and the love of reading, and I get to reach the kids on a level that doesn't feel all the time like it's education. I get to kind of tap into what their interests are and get to know who they are on a personal level, and so I get to bring that love of reading, and that is fun for me, and it makes it fun for them too.
Being a librarian is so special because I'm going to tell a story of what happened today. I was coming down the hallway with a new box of books, and the kids were just ecstatic whenever they saw that box. They are excited about reading. It's very special to be able to make the kids have a love of reading and learning, and having their smiles and their excitement every day is amazing. And sprinkles galore. Do you have sprinkles too?